not in school today, as you notice. I know you guys are all so sad. I'm sorry. I'll be back tomorrow. However, I have a lesson for you guys, and instead of the sub just putting up the words on the Elmo, I'm going to teach it to you as if I was actually there in class. So, hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien. Gracias. Hoy es miércoles, miércoles, miércoles. Es el 7 de diciembre. Hace frío, está nublado. Me encanta español. All right. So on this sheet, that song was totally not necessary, not part of the lesson, but it was fun, right? My hair is doing something crazy today. Holy moly. All right. So you should have this note sheet. And if the words are backwards, I apologize. All right. So the first question, and if you notice, there's upside down question marks in Spanish, and that comes before question, and there's upside down exclamation marks when it's a exclamation. So, ¿cuántos años tienes? ¿Cuántos means how many or how much. Años means years, and tienes means you have. So literally, this is asking how many years do you have? That doesn't make sense, okay? What do you think it might mean in English? If I'm saying how many years do you have, what's a better way to say that? Yes, how old are you? So, ¿cuántos años tienes? Is how old are you? But literally it means how many years do you have? All right, tengo blank años. This is how you're going to answer that question. And it literally means I have blank years. So if you're 13 years old, you would say tengo 13 años. I have 13 years, but that sounds silly. So then it would be I am 13 years old. Now this next one you probably actually, I'm thinking you guys are my 7th graders. No, you probably won't know what this means because you've never learned it before. ¿Cuál es la fecha de hoy? ¿Cuál es la fecha de hoy? Fecha means the date. So that means the number and the month. So if I was to say, ¿cuál es la fecha de hoy? It's asking, what is the date today? Not the day of the week, the date. And then you would answer, today is December 7th. Which brings me to the next part. Hoy es means today is. We know this from the song. Hoy es miércoles, miércoles, miércoles. So hoy es means today is. Mañana es. Hoy es miércoles. Mañana es jueves. Hoy es miércoles. Adiós miércoles. Mañana es jueves. Mañana es means tomorrow is. ¿Qué día es hoy? Día. ¿Qué día es hoy? What day of the week is it? What day is it today? What day is it today? Right now, what day is it today? The next one. ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? If you look up on the board, I have question words, and you'll notice that ¿dónde means where. Okay, so this is asking, where are you from? Meaning, where were you born? Where are you from originally, your origin. So I was born in Chicago, so I would answer this, I'm from Chicago. But ¿de dónde eres means where are you from? You would answer this with soy de, I am from. And think of soy sauce is from China, and I don't know if that's actually true, but soy sauce is from China, so soy de must mean I'm from wherever. All right, mucho gusto, mucho gusto, mucho gusto, mucho gusto, mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. Let's keep.
Melissa?
Yep.
I'm going to go.
Yep. Mrs. Mori has just interrupted this lesson, so let's see what she has to say, but I'm going to pause this. Yikes. Sometimes you just don't plan for things like that to happen. If you're curious, she wants to know if I want to try on a pair of pants, so that's completely random. So back to our lesson. Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. Por favor. Por favor. You've heard this before in the Puedo ir al baño song. Por favor. Puedo ir? No. Por favor means please. Lo siento. If I come up to you and I punch you in the face and I'm like, oh, lo siento. Although if I punched you in the face, it was probably intentional, so I wouldn't be apologizing. But lo siento means I'm sorry. Salud. This means God bless you, or gesundheit, or bless you, I guess. You know, whatever, when someone sneezes. Salud. Bless you. ¿Cómo te llamas? This has nothing to do with the llama. Okay, nothing to do with the llama. It is asking, what's your name? And literally, it's saying, how do you call yourself? But we don't walk around saying, oh, hi, how do you call yourself? Oh, I call myself Melissa. No, that sounds silly. So literally, it's how do you call yourself? But realistically, it's what's your name? And then you would answer it, me llamo Brian, me llamo Tyler, me llamo Angela, me llamo Monica. Whatever your name is. Me llamo means my name is. But literally, it means I call myself. I call myself Senora Collins. Yeah, you call yourself a freak because that sounds weird. So I would just say my name is Mrs. Collins. ¿Cómo estás? We know this from our song, How Are You? Estoy muy bien, I'm very good. Estoy así, así, I'm so-so. I'm okay. I'm not good, I'm not bad, I'm, however that is. Estoy mal, I'm bad. ¿Puedo ir a mi armario? ¿Puedo ir a mi armario? Necesito mi libro. ¿Puedo ir a mi armario? Gracias. Can I go to my locker? We all know what this next one is, and so help me, Jesus, if you don't remember. Puedo ir al baño means can I go to the bathroom? Buenos días means good morning. Hasta luego means see you later. ¿Cómo está usted? This is how you ask an adult how they are doing. So if you would address someone by Mr. or Mrs., you would use this form. It's polite. Thought she was coming back again. So, ¿cómo está usted? How are you if you're talking to an adult? It's not ¿cómo estás usted? It's ¿cómo está usted? So again, if you're addressing someone by Mr. or Mrs., you would use this form. And then the last one, you may recognize it when I ask for your homework. Saquen la tarea, muéstramela. Take out your homework and show it to me. So saquen la tarea means take out your homework. Okay, and that's it for this note sheet. You're going to grab a crossword puzzle, and I want to just explain something here. The crossword puzzle, you're going to have to leave blanks in between each word. So for example, if you were writing down ¿Cómo te llamas?, you will not use the punctuation, so don't leave the question marks, but you would write C-O-M-O space, E-S-T-A space, U-D. Okay, make sure you put the accents over the vowels that have it. All right, that's about it. See you tomorrow. Sorry this was not as fun as it normally is. What can I say?